Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can add freeze frame transition effect in a video using Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and here we are going to create a new video. So we are going to click on create and then select landscape video, or you can also add the size of the video, right? So here I'm going to add two videos of different things, right? For example, let me search for mountains and then go to videos, see all, right? Let us find a good video, or we can search for road as well. Okay, let's add this video, and now we are going to add one more video, right? So we are going to click on grid view and then add page, then double click on that new page, and here man in office or man walking. Yeah, let's use this, right? Now first of all, we are going to download this image from this video. So I'm selecting I'm clicking on share and then clicking on download and then JPG, and then I will simply select the current page and then will download. Okay, it's done. Save photo. Now we are coming back to exit video, and here we are going to trim this video to this much, right? Because it's a too long video, right? And now we are just going to add an image in this video in the last. Okay, let us trim this video first to this much. Now I'm going to click on add elements, upload that image of the next video, click on open, and here I'm going to add this image in the last few seconds, right? And here I'm going to remove the background and I'm going to make this of perfect size, right? And here I'm going to add animation. We are going to add the rise animation on enter, right? We can increase the speed as well, right? Now we are going back and then we are going to add transition in between both the videos, right? And the transition would be dissolve. Okay, now we are going to edit this video as well and decrease the duration so that you can easily understand, right? Okay, now let us play the video. So this will happen in such a manner, right? It will get corrected soon, but first of all we need to decrease the duration of this, right? So 1.6 seconds, we can reduce it to 0.2 or 0.3 seconds, right? Make it more clear. And in the last of this video we need to place it, right? Then we can decrease its duration. Okay, now again we are going on to full screen. Okay, so this is how you can add this effect into your video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.